Character is my degree. Life is my examination. Universe is my university.
Congratulations and all the best to all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Namaste. Good morning, one and all. First of all, my hearty congratulations to all my young graduates. Today marks an important day in your life and significant milestone in your life's journey. After entering into this Alphabet Techno School, every child has done a great hard work and successfully completed this academic year with a great dedication. Once again, my congratulations to all my students and my thanks to all my dear parents, and I wish you and I'm confident that you will success in the upcoming academic years and all the best for your bright future.
Alphabet Techno School, Motinagar, Hyderabad.